So if by simply uploading that document, if that metadata to which court it has to be filed and what is the category, the subject, etc., can be culled out from that, essentially the PDF parsing. Can we deploy it?
Yeah, we can do that.
I think that it's a long hanging
So
fruit.
you basically need to, whatever application is filed, you need to OCR it and then find the named entities and put it.
I think that even in our portal itself, we can give an OCR conversion tool. That's not an issue at all.
Right.
So if such an uploading happens, can we fetch those metadata and can upload it?
Yeah, so currently you need a signature, right, on the petition to be a petition actually, right? Now, if you look at it, if a person comes and speaks his complaint or a petition, and he is face authenticated by Aadhaar, you have done your job actually. And there's something which we would like to do a POC on, that I am a complainant, I want to file a case in the court, I come to Avatar, I speak out my grievance or whatever petition I have, and that is automatically filed, categorized, and the Avatar can ask me a few questions back if it is required, and then I press a button and my face is authenticated. I say, yes, I am the person, that is video recorded, and the case is filed. It could be a kind of a POC or a hackathon material for future.
But for the codes we are using this, it's essential for the deposition recording, etc., this apply that voice to text tool will be. But still, we have to choose the language, right? That the output language has to be selected. So can it be bilingual? During this recording of the deposition, we may have to use both the English as well as the Malayalam in the one document itself. So the switching of this document, the languages will be.
That's what I was talking to him in the thing, that if we are going to work on a OCR which will also look at automatic language detection on a document. Currently, the automatic language detection is enabled on voice. So if I speak I'm speaking in English, even if you see this video, it automatically detected the voice as Hindi. And obviously, as we go with languages, there are some errors around it, but that will improve. So you can automatically detect the language in the petition itself.
So can we also add a feature to share it with some collaborators? Because while the recording is going on, there may crept in some errors also. So if it can be shared with the steno or some other staff in the office and editing can be done.
Those are simple IT workflow.
That's all.
That's a workflow.
Correct.
Keeping
the formatting of this document, say if we are saying a particular date or a sum of rupees 500, if it has been shown in the figures as well as in the words as per the requirement, that will also be
that done. Also can be possible.
These are all
so some of these things are possible. The only thing is that when we are looking at, even for the websites, for example, when we have looked at some of the customers, some customers come back and say that I want my numbers to be translated in, say, Telugu. Others say that no, let the numbers remain as it is. I will translate rest of the text. So there are different requirements, and hence the systems are tuned to do that requirement.
Just one last thing.